Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Your legs tell the real story. Not your age, not your motivation levels, your legs. Because once your lower body starts losing strength, everything else is affected, your balance, your stamina, your posture, even how energized and confident you feel. For most men over 50, the drop in power isn't because the calendar turned another year, it's because the muscles in the lower half simply aren't firing the way they used to. Hours of sitting, barely moving, hips that tighten over time, glutes that stop carrying their load, and a steady decline in circulation. And when blood flow slows down, your entire system feels sluggish, including the hormones that help you feel strong and grounded. But here's the good news most people never hear. You can wake those systems back up, surprisingly fast. You don't need to run miles. You don't need a room full of weights. What works best? Slow, intentional movements that reactivate the muscles and nerves that have been idling for years. Today, you're getting 8 simple exercises designed to bring life back into your legs, send fresh blood through your pelvis, and rebuild the foundation your strength depends on. No equipment, no noise, just 10 focused minutes. Before we jump in, drop a comment with your age and where you're watching from. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Horse stance hold. Stand with your feet wider than usual, toes angled out slightly. Lower your hips as if you're easing into a seat that isn't actually there, halfway down, then pause. Keep your chest upright, spine long, and your core gently braced. Your legs will start trembling pretty quickly. That shake? That's your body reactivating muscle fibers that haven't been asked to work this hard in a while. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, stay steady. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds, rest 20 seconds, repeat 3 times. This old school stance strengthens the thighs, wakes up the hips, and gets the glutes firing, which is essential for men rebuilding lower body strength. As you hold, circulation improves, your core stabilizes, and your system starts to switch back on. You rebuild your foundation 1 breath, and 1 hold, at a time. Exercise 2. Wall sit. Place your back against a wall and walk your feet forward. Slide down slowly until your knees form a clean 90-degree angle. Thighs parallel, back flat, core steady, and freeze. Within moments, you'll feel heat building across your legs, a sign that your blood flow is ramping up and your muscles are creating pressure that sends circulation into your hips and lower body. Keep your heels planted and your breathing calm. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds, rest 30 seconds, repeat 2 to 3 rounds. This move builds endurance in your legs, supports knee strength, and trains the muscle pump that helps circulation throughout your lower body, especially important for men over 50. Quiet exercise. Big impact. Exercise 3. Glute bridge hold. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Press through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Now squeeze your glutes, really squeeze, as if you're locking your hips into place. Hold steady, breathe slow and full. Each breath encourages fresh blood to move through your hips, lower back, and pelvic area. Hold 30 to 45 seconds, rest 20 seconds, repeat 3 rounds. This is one of the most important movements for men. It switches the glutes back on, opens tight hip flexors, and helps ease pressure off the lower spine. The stronger your glutes, the stronger your entire system feels. Exercise 4. Frog stretch hold. Start on all fours. Move your knees wide and turn your feet so your toes point out, in line with your knees. Sink your hips back slowly until a deep stretch spreads through your inner thighs and groin. Relax your upper body. Let your hips control the movement. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, let tension melt with each breath. Hold 40 to 60 seconds, rest briefly, repeat 2 rounds. This stretch opens the adductors, the muscles that control hip mobility and influence pelvic alignment. When these muscles are tight, everything feels restricted. When they loosen, circulation improves and movement becomes smoother. A simple stretch, but a huge unlock for men over 50. Exercise 5. Single leg stand. Stand tall with your shoulders relaxed. Shift your weight into your right leg and lift your left knee until it's level with your hip. Hold it there. No grabbing a chair. No leaning. Tiny stabilizer muscles around your foot, knee, and hip will wake up instantly. This is your balance system kicking back into gear. Keep your gaze on 1 point ahead, core firm, breath relaxed. Hold 30 seconds per leg, repeat 2 to 3 rounds. This movement trains your stability, sharpens your reflexes, and strengthens the muscles that protect your joints. When balance improves, so does confidence, mobility, and overall vitality. Control comes back, 1 leg at a time. Exercise 6. Deep squat hold. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Exhale and sink into a deep, natural squat. Heels anchored, chest open, spine tall. Settle into the position, don't rush. Your hips might feel tight, your ankles might complain. That's okay. This is how the human body was designed to rest, but most of us have lost the ability. Breathe deeply and let your body soften into the shape. Hold 25 to 40 seconds, rest, repeat 3 rounds. This posture improves hip and ankle mobility, decompresses the lower back, and encourages healthy pelvic alignment. Relearning the deep squat reconnects you with the movement patterns men relied on for centuries. This is primal strength, simple and powerful. Exercise 7. Standing calf raise hold. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Lift your heels slowly until you're balanced on the balls of your feet. Pause at the top. Feel the tension rising through your calves and up your legs. These muscles act like a second pump for circulation. Keep your breath smooth and your core steady. Hold 25 to 35 seconds, lower slowly, repeat 3 rounds. Stronger calves improve stability, support your ankles, and help blood move efficiently through the lower half of your body. Better circulation supports better overall energy and performance. Sometimes the smallest muscles make the biggest difference. Exercise 8. Hip prayer hold. Kneel on the floor and sit back onto your heels. Place your hands on your thighs and lengthen your spine. Now lift your hips just an inch, not high, just enough to feel the deep muscles in your core and pelvic floor begin to engage. Hold still. Stay quiet inside your breath. A gentle pressure will build in the lower abdomen. That's the support system for balance, posture, and internal stability doing its job. Hold 20 to 30 seconds, rest, repeat 3 rounds. This movement strengthens the muscles that men rarely train but absolutely depend on. The pelvic floor, the diaphragm, and the deep hip stabilizers. Once these wake up, everything feels more controlled and more powerful. You don't need intense workouts or heavy equipment. What you truly need is control over your breath, your muscles, and your foundation as a man. These 8 exercises help reactivate your legs, open your hips, improve circulation, and support the systems that fuel strength and vitality. Every hold, every breath, every second of tension signals your body to come back online. Give this routine 10 minutes a day. Be consistent, stay focused, and you'll feel the shift in your power, your balance, your energy, and how grounded you feel in your own body. Your strength never left. It was just resting. Now it's time to wake it up. Gentlemen, when you take control of your body, everything else follows.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.